Today, I'm going to teach you how to cut out a video with a mobile phone. First, open the VideoAE software. Click Make Video to start editing, and click Resource to import the video we want to cut out. Then find the Cutout button in the Tools in the lower left corner. You can enter the cutout page. There are 3 cutout methods prepared here. You can choose the appropriate method according to your own video. For example, my background has only one color. I only need to remove green. So here I choose Color Cutout. Directly click on the color to be removed. The color we want to remove will be displayed here. You can see that the cutout is very clean. If you still need it, you can adjust the following values yourself, or click Feather to adjust the values. The preview can see that the effect is very good. Remember to save it in GIF format, so that the background is transparent. The last step is to add the background. Select the background to be added from the mobile phone album. Note that the duration must be set to the same, and then put the video layer on the bottom layer. If you want to save the transparent bottom directly as a GIF, you can directly save it as a video format if you change the background. Give a like if it helped you.